This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll learn if-then statement, a little bit explanation of the second program. In the last video we will have learned program number 1 to execute and calculate the fare of a train, distance traveled by covered by a train, and then calculation of the fare depending upon the number of kilometers traveled by the train. Now we will discuss one more program, and before this we will need to discuss some more features of if-then statement. It is a decision making statement. It is used to make a decision regarding program flow based on the result returned by an expression if then statement transfers control to a specific portion of a program depending on the specified condition. A condition is an expression that either evaluates to true, usually represented by 1, or false, usually represented by 0. It determines whether the specified condition is true or false. If the condition is true, then statement will be executed. The condition of an if statement can be a relational expression, a logical expression, or a combination of the two. Or you can say a combination of the two means both relational and logical. Now I'm going to type the syntax. If expression, type in a way this if expression then statement, we'll make it italic so that there should be a difference can be seen, because if and then are the keywords that should be highlighted. I'm going to make it bold for you. Likewise, the other way is to type the line number instead of statement. So we'll type line number. So there are two ways to write the syntax of this if statement. If the expression is true, then either the statement at the specified line number or the statement following the then keyword is executed. If and if then statement is followed by a line number in the direct mode and undefined line number error results. Unless the statement with the specified line number was previously entered in the indirect mode. So if and if then statement is followed by a line number in the direct mode, and undefined line number error results if we work in a direct mode. But if we work in indirect mode, the previous line number of the statement will be executed. Okay, now I'm gonna type a program for you, and this is a different program from the previous one. Now we're gonna understand and learn how to understand the concept of the if then statement. I'm gonna type a program for you. This is called PROG2, and then we'll discuss the output as well. So I'm going to switch to the IDE. So let's switch to the IDE of GW Basic. So here we are, viewers. We are in the IDE. So I'm going to type a program that will tell that number is less than 25 or greater than 25. So at line number 10 we'll type input error number equal to sign double quote semicolon A. Line number 20 we'll type input, we'll type if A is lesser than 25, then print number is lesser than 25. And line number 30 we'll type if A is greater than 25, then print. You know very well that print statement is used to show and display the output of the program on the screen. So we'll type number is, it's a very simple program, greater than 25. So at line number 40 we will type and I'm gonna save this program. I'll press the F4 key and then type if2.bas. So I'm gonna give a different name like if then 2.bas. I'm gonna load it, so I will press the F3 key and then type if then 2.bas, name of the program. Now program is loaded into the memory. Now I'll press the F2 key to run this program. It will ask you to enter the number. So this question mark, whenever we use the input statement, then we can see the question mark automatically on the screen. So when you're running on the program now, we give a value like 26. So the number is greater than 25. And again, I press the F2 key, run this program, and then give the value 24. You can see that the number is less than 25. So it's a very simple program to understand the concept of if-then statement. So viewers, that's all, and thanks for watching my video.